First of all, that I'm very pleased to be here with my colleagues, the Minister for Foreign Affairs and the Minister for Defence of Somalia, and I look forward to the privilege of meeting your Prime Minister also today, as well as a whole series of civil society groups here in Somalia, and of course some of the EU and UN representatives as well. And we have a number of clear messages. First of all, that Ireland is a friend of Somalia, has been for many years, is interested in really understanding the detail of the challenges that you face as a government, but as a society as a whole. This is a very, very important country to the region, that is the Horn of Africa, but also it's a country with a complex and tragic history. And we want to be a partner and a friend that can help the people of Somalia look to the future with more optimism. That's why we want to be supportive of the election process that is about to begin. We want to be supportive of the challenges in the context of security that the Minister for Defence and his team face through the UN and the work that we can do with you and for you there, but also within the European Union, which of course is a big partner and a big donor for many of the security challenges here in Somalia. So the message is that we're here to stay as a supporter and a friend of what you're trying to do in government, and we are aware of the complexity of the challenges that are faced, but also the importance of a democratic process and elections, and the transition through that election process to a stable government that can remain a partner for Ireland bilaterally, and also for the European Union and within the UN system. It is sometimes said that Somalis are the Irish of Africa, and that's because we get on very well together. We see the world sometimes through the same lens. We're a country that has also had to recover from conflict, from division, from terrorism, from violence. We are privileged on the island of Ireland, off the west coast of the European Union, to have one of the most successful peace processes in the world. That peace process is contributed to in a major way by women as well as men in terms of leadership. And I hope that we can share our experiences. We have an increasing number of Somalis in Ireland who are now part of the Irish economy and Irish society. But I hope that we can be part of helping the government here to build and reinforce stability over time, to offer opportunities for young people in terms of the stability that can deliver economic growth and opportunity for so many young people here. And that's why we're here. And I hope I'll be here again on multiple occasions as that project and those challenges continue. So the message from Ireland is we're a friend, and we can be that friend bilaterally in terms of support and development projects together. We can be that friend bilaterally within the European Union, which is a very important partner for this part of Africa. And at the moment, because Ireland sits on the UN Security Council, I hope that we can also be a friend on the Security Council for Somalia in terms of that stability that this country craves and is determined to deliver for its people. So thank you for the welcome here, and it's a real privilege to have the opportunity to meet my colleagues and friends in the government here, and of course to have the opportunity to meet the Prime Minister in the next few hours. So thank you very much.